Hi Adam, how you doing? These are really good ideas. I think they're fantastic, and this is really fun the way you describe these. You said that they sound like as seen on TV ads, and they do, but that's fun. I think that's fun, and I think this is a fun project. And I said at the beginning of this project, I said, go off on this one, have some fun with it, and I think you're definitely doing that. So let's take a look at your sketches. Now I want to talk about the sketches. First of all, the ideas are great. The ideas are fantastic. This one was used right in the post right before yours, the comb, the fork for the comb, and that's just sheer coincidence. So reconsider that one moving forward. This one, the little speaker for the iPhone, and this works. We've all done it. It works. I mean, what I usually do is if a song comes on and I want to hear, if I want to hear, let somebody hear part of a song, what I'll do is you take your iPhone and just open your kitchen cabinet and put it on one of the shelves, and it's boom, automatic bass. It's pretty cool. Try it. The butter knife, we've all done it. Sure. Awesome. And that was going to be one of my suggestions. A couple of students had emailed me saying, oh, I just can't come up with ideas. And I just said, hey, man, look around your desk, look around your workstation, look around your room, and spend a couple of days seeing it. We all do this. We all use objects for what they're not intended for all day long. We all do. So it's just a matter of stopping and saying, okay, well, what's going on? The little kitty PlayStation, this is great. Just great. Which one was this? Oh, the snow. We used to do this when I was a kid. The only thing that we would have to do, and that you might add to your illustrations if you choose this one, is when you pull the lid off, you got to pull. My mom got so mad at us. We would take the actual the little handle. You got the lid, you got the handle, because the handle would slow you down. So we would take the handle off the top of the garbage lid, and then boy, talk about flying down a hill. So that may be one thing to add in this set of directions, is removing the lid from the garbage can. This is a good idea. Holding the nail with a comb, I think this is a fantastic idea. Somehow this one got cut short, though, as you can see in the presentation. Not sure how that happened, but you got 7 ideas. If you want to throw another one at us, that's fantastic. I'm sure you'll come up with one. We technically do need 8, so we'll need one more. As far as the illustrations themselves, I want to draw your attention just right over here to this. And as you can see, in my first announcement, I said I couldn't quite figure out what this one was. I don't know if you figured it out. Let me know. I can see the earbuds. But I can't figure this one out. This one is the hair iron for the straightening iron for women's hair. But if you notice, this one's got a separate set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 illustrations, and they're all connected by this power cord. So I think that's something that you could add into this. You need more illustrations. I mean, this one has enough, right? The kitty PlayStation, the kitty station. But, and then I think in one of your sketches, you kind of created this timeline with the snowflakes to kind of follow the progression of what's going on. And I think that's a really good idea. We see that up here with the cord for the iron kind of following the story of the timeline. We see that here with the cord from the iPhone earbuds as well. So I'm wondering if you could find some interesting way to add to add the timeline. So, but stuff like this mermaid comb one, you would need more steps, 6, 7, 8 steps, just to make the thing really super interesting. And the idea, Adam, the idea is that you get, the viewer gets this in their hand and they don't want to put it down. And I can see this happening in several of your examples where they're just so interesting. You go, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm not going to tell you which way to go because I want you to make your own decision. I think each one is got equally strong potential. So go ahead and make your decisions and go ahead and move forward with that. But technically, you do owe us one more sketch. All right, fantastic job, Adam. Thank you so much. Any questions, comments, concerns, or other, please let me know. Awesome job. Thank you, sir.